Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulai khublei bat kitbok kerwang kipat ba Kejela Meghalaya khamtam ki nongshong snong Kajantia Hills habaya shimbenta ha kasi Pynkut ya ga Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam ha jawai ha ga khandai tarik ubanai naitung haba ai jingkran jigi padba usarma uloong ba ka dei kasin ka baningkong jong ban Sakhi ka Behdeiñkhlam bat uloong ba uwanra ka khubor jing na Kejela Assam shiki padba ka Meghalaya bat ulakit bok kerwiang ba ka Lehniam kan yailong ka bajob bat ka basai so hagni kasi laidon langru usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubas new bhalang dhar UCEM ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council utuliram ronghang ki Menteri bat MLE ka Sarkar Jilla kumjo ki MDC ka GHEDC ki officer Sarkar na lor kiwei habakran chigila puthai kubor usarma uloong ba kamdon ka jingakan art ka bajor hapadeng ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya ngam tharai bakidon ka jingakan art ki bajujia man kapor baro lapen bed bat baro ki yat bed yat renti uloong halor ka jingakran ban pen bed ya upod usam usarma uloong baka jingakran hapadeng ki art ligi Sarkar kadang yai beteng ngajuya kendu ya Menteri Rangba abad usembut Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya kalat jinge kren ke playbed bat lada mi kanu jing ngi pen bed ya ka mardor da ka mensiam jinge long parlok uloong ya ka Behdeiñkhlam la Pynkut hapung Aitnar ha ka ba da ki phau hajar ngut ki riunget na kiri khasi bat jantia kumju na ki we ki jilla bat na bar kiri kilawan ban Sakhi ya ka Behdeiñkhlam ka Lehniam ha ka si Pynkut kelas dang da ka Lehniam kenting knong ha ka yeng sa ka langdo but sa ka bam tingkong bat hadin la pendep ya ka Lehniam chok tendai kat ba kat kum ka jinget ka long ban be ya ki ksuot ki krei ka pang ka shitom bat ka sniu ka sar na yeng na sem ya ka jing Lehniam la pendep da ki shakri niam na du doloi ki sangot uchutia na lor upator ulangdo ka langdo bat kiwe ki shakri niam karat kat ba ha ka no phais ni la pendep ya ka benta ba kong san jong ka Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam lapendap ha Aitnar kabalong hapung kti kentang bat kabahang ni ki Shakriniam hapo ka jinglam u pator kilapenlong ya kangu kadem hagas im Aitnar bat penbuat sa ka jingwanra ka knong blai ha ka baki khon ka nyam tre kilahiar ban shat ha ka pung kentang ka senra chlom sengkhasi kmi sentelang nyam tre la that labo senraj umulong kumjo ki dor barshnang baganthop ka lum yong kjam lum kerwiang shangyar panalyar dulong pepele lum perdi yong pia bat yaw mesyang kilawan ra ki rot jongki haringkat ka khubor shaupad ba menta ka kenti lawan ra hadu khat light li ki rot ha Aitnar bat hadin belawan ra lot baro ki rot lapen hiar ka knong balai hadin ka jingshat bat pen ipat ba ki rot hapung Aitnar kaladon sa ka Lehniam dat law akor hapdeng ka kenhun ulang do na patorwa bat ka kenhun usangot paswet na pentor nin
and bestow upon him with divine qualities. When more male people, no life was what possessed except rock, water, and air. There was no self employed or cultivation. They proved in Lehniam in such a direct way that therefore could be earned in an order. First, he instructed the Hima, also known as cultivator and productor. Thus, the earth becomes weak. On behalf of Senator Jawad, we extend to you our heartfelt gratitude and a very warm welcome. Sir, it is an honor and a great pleasure to welcome you today at this Behdeiñkhlam to witness the Behdeiñkhlam festival and learn with the people of Central Hills. For those present here today with immense joy and pride, in the spirit of the Behdeiñkhlam festival, be with you as you witness the celebration. A small circle of love and appreciation from the member of Senator Jawad has been handed.
This is first time I have come to see Behdeiñkhlam festival. I am very happy that this is a spirit of oneness. Everybody is participating in this festival. I wish everybody a very happy life, very happy festival, and really I am touched whatever I have seen for the first time. I have not seen this kind of festival in my life so far. I am really feeling blessed that I have been able to see this kind of festival. I wish everybody once again my gratitude for inviting me. Thank you so much.
A few hours from now, we are also going to witness our death. So that we can continue to have knowledge today.
State of Assam, to our brothers in Meghalaya, and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jaintia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and I pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border issue. Frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly. Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM. So channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting and there is no friction, and whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
How you will assure that?
Experience to you, sir. How is the Behdeiñkhlam?
I'll come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond. I'll definitely come.
Mama.